Integration in logical learning.
Evolution presents Ratio and Proportion by Anupam Das for class 7, 8, 9 and 10. In mathematics, ratios and proportion is a very important concept. Let us understand the concepts with the help of examples and solved questions. Ratios. Ratios are the mathematical numbers used to compare two things which are similar to each other in terms of units. For example, we can compare the length of a pencil to length of a pen, likewise distance to a unit that denotes distance. We can't compare two things that are not similar to each other. Similarly, we can't compare the height of a person to the weight of another person. As an illustration, suppose the weight of Kamal is 50 kg and the weight of Hassan is 100 kg. A ratio of Kamal's weight to Hassan's weight can be found out by dividing Kamal's weight to Hassan's weight and vice versa. The ratio between Kamal's and Hassan's weight is 50 per 100 equals to 1:2. A ratio is denoted by is to. In the above cause, we can say that 2 times the weight of Kamal equals the weight of Hassan, or Kamal's weight is half of Hassan's weight. Ratios can help in such deductions. Note how only the weights which are similar to each other are compared. Proportions. Ratios compare things similar to each other. Further, these ratios are compared with each other using proportions. The purpose of comparing ratios is to deduce whether two distributions are equal or not. It additionally helps us to find out the more suitable proportion. When two ratios are same, they are said to be proportionate to each other. A proportionate relation is represented by is-to or equal sign. Let's assume you and your friend go out to buy notebooks. You both buy a total of 8 notebooks, which amount to 200 rupees. Your friend pays 50 rupees while you pay 150 rupees. Now, while returning, your friend suggests that both of you receive 4 notebooks each. On the other hand, since you paid more, you suggest that you must receive notebooks while your friend gets 2 notebooks. To decide which of you is correct, we can determine whether ratios of money paid and notebook distribution are equal or not. Here, the ratio of money you paid to that your friend paid is 150 by 50 equals to 3:1. The ratio according to your friend's distribution is 4 by 4 is equals to 1:1, whereas the ratio according to your distribution is 6 by 2 equals to 3:1. Since the ratio of money paid and ratio according to your distribution is proportionate, your distribution will be correct. Ratio and proportion tricks. Let us learn here some rules and tricks to solve problems based on ratio and proportion topic. If u by v equals to x by y, then uy equals to vx. If u by v equals to x by y, then u by x equals to v by y. If u by v equals to x by y, then v by u equals to y by x. If u by v equals to x by y, then u plus v by v equals to x plus y by y. If u by v equals to x by y, then u minus v by v equals to x minus y by y. If u by v equals to x by y, then u plus v by u minus v equals to x plus y by x minus y, which is known as componendo dividendo rule. If u by v equals to v by x, then u by x equals to u square by v square. If u by v equals to x by y, then u equals to x and v equals to y. If a by b plus c equals to b by c plus a equals to c by a plus b, and a plus b plus c not equals to 0, then a equals to b equals to c. Question number 1. Divide 90 rupees in ratio 1:2 between Ram and Karan. There are 2 parts, 1 and 2, the sum of which is 3 parts. Hence, among the 3 parts, Karan gets 2 and Ram gets 1. Therefore, for 90 rupees considered equivalent to 3 parts here, Karan's share equals to 2 by 3 into 90 equals to 60 and Ram's share equals to 1 by 3 into 90 equals to 30 rupees. Here we have added the ratios as parts and then divided the total parts according to the ratio. Thus the sum of ratios is assumed to be equal to the total sum of rupees that needs to be divided among Karan and Ram. Question number 2. Are 30, 40, 45 and 60 in proportion? Ratio of 30 and 40 equals to 30 by 40 equals to 3:4. Ratio of 45 and 60 equals to 45 by 60 equals to 3:4. The ratio of 30 and 40 is equal to the ratio of 45 and 60. Hence, they are proportionate to each other, or 30 is to 40 and 45 is to 60 is proportionate to each other. What are the ratio and proportion examples? Proportion refers to an equation with a ratio on each side. Moreover, it is a statement that 2 ratios are equal, such as 3 by 4 equals to 6 by 8 is an example of proportion. In addition, when one of the 4 numbers in a proportion is unknown, cross products may be used to find the unknown number. What is the formula for proportion? Simply, a proportion is a statement that has 2 ratios that are equal in addition. We can write it in 2 ways. First, as 2 equal fractions, A by B equals to C by D, or the other way is using colon, that is A is to B equals to C is to D. Is the proportion of percent? If the proportion is a percentage, then 1 would be 10%. However, the proportion is a ratio, as in this case 10 by 100 equals to 1 by 10 equals to 1. Although 10% is not a ratio in of itself, then it is a proportion of 10. Besides, percentage means of 100. In addition, a proportion is a number to another number. Are ratio and proportion the same? The main difference between ratio and proportion is that ratio is the comparison of sizes of 2 quantities of the same unit. On the other hand, proportion refers to the equality of 2 ratios. More examples. Are the ratios 4:5 and 8:10 said to be in proportion? 4:5 equals to 4 by 5 equals to 0.8 and 8:10 equals to 8 by 10 equals to 0.8. Since both the ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. Are the 2 ratios 8:10 and 7:10 in proportion? 8:10 equals to 8 by 10 equals to 0.8 and 7:10 equals to 7 by 10 equals to 0.7. Since both the ratios are not equal, they are not in proportion. Given ratios are A is to B equals to 2:3, B is to C equals to 5:2, C is to D equals to 1:4. Find A is to B is to C. Multiplying the first ratio by 5, second by 3 and third by 6, we have A is to B equals to 10:15, B is to C equals to 15:6, C is to D equals to 6:24. In the ratios above, all the mean terms are equal, thus A is to B is to C is to D equals to 10:15:6:24. Ratio and proportion word problems. Question 1. Out of total students in a class, if the number of boys is 5 and the number of girls being 3, then find the ratio between girls and boys. Solution. The ratio between girls and boys can be written as 3:5. Girls is to boys. The ratio can also be written in the form of factor like 3 by 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. If the sum of numbers is 60, find the numbers. Given 2 by 3 is the ratio of any two numbers. Let the two numbers be 2x and 3x. As per the given question, the sum of these two numbers equals to 60. So 2x plus 3x equals to 60, 5x equals to 60, x equals to 12. Hence the two numbers are 2x equals to 2 into 12 equals to 24 and 3x equals to 3 into 12 equals to 36. 24 and 36 are the required numbers. Hope you have loved the session. We will come with more examples. Till then, thank you for watching.